slurp it first.
Slurp it first and then you just eat it. It depends on you what you want to do. Be careful. What? Like this. Like this. Yeah. You don't want it. No. Close. Yeah,
is it good?
Good?
Yeah?
Good? You wanna eat the rest? Eat the rest.
Wow, that's beautiful.
You like it?
More vinegar?
Chili?
How do you eat yours?
No, but that is...
Is that egg?
Yeah, it's egg.
Or is it just the chick?
The chick is there, oh. With the feather, oh. Look.
Oh, yeah.
You eat the whole thing.
I want to eat the chick.
Okay, eat now. Si Zoe, grabe yung tingin.
No, Zoe, you and me are not eating though.
Come on.
Why?
How is it?
You don't like it.
Yeah? Eat the rest. It's there. Ooh, there. No, still.
Do you want sauce?
Eat the cheek. This is the white.
Do you want the sauce? Give it to Daddy. Don't eat it. Next time.
Oh, I can taste something.
Ooh, yummy. Would you like to try the balot? Here. Where are you? Do you want to try the balot?
Yeah.
Right?
Oo.
Try natin.
Pork. Matamis na adobo. Asado. Kami? Yung